Did you say I'm getting something from this one? Yours is in there. Yeah, I see that. If you notice multiple Monday, I hardly posted more posts. Since then, you've done it here.
Oh, yeah. So these are all bred by you, all?
Majority.
So Anton, according to you, do birds drop wings because they're getting old or it's a bloodline? Like, what do you think about that? Is it a bloodline or they end up dropping wings because of age?
I don't know, because I can ask you the same question, because I got, you see that flesh cock that side, this is the hairy cock.
Yes.
Yeah. Never have drop wings. Anything, never have drop wings. When they were sitting here and just apart,
Yeah.
never. When I start to breed them,
Yeah. Started dropping.
That's to drop. So I don't know.
Please, Johanna, please. Can I have it? Before we stop, I'm only like 3 minutes.
That is the hairy cock. The hairy cock was the father and the mother is a PJ. I think it's 2014 and I have to check it myself, but sure. That one, look at that side. This one with the droppings, the brother of one of. But I like this one. This one with cat eyes. Oh, which one?
You mean the white with the black eyes? But with Johnny Rose, you get a lot of that. And pale eyes.
But now you can see there's a lot of rose in that bird. Because her father is the brother of that one.
Please, Johanna, please. Can I have it?
Well, I don't want to open this one now because I'm gonna, if they slip out, I want to fly them for you.
Oh, okay.
So there's no serious scattering or whatever, and also the smaller lots help.
Is it?
To have your pigeons stay used to you, you know.
Alright. So you. Sepang.
brother of one of. But I like this with the black eyes. Oh, which one?
You mean the white with the black eyes? But with Johnny Rose, you get a lot of that. And pale eyes.
But now you can see there's a lot of rose in that, but because her father is the brother of that one.
Again, the mother is either that one, I don't know which one, I need to check the ring. Either the one up there or the one down here. That's the end.
I think it's this one. I think, I'm not sure. I think.
I can check in my book, but yeah, it's one of them.
No.
You see, also when you have time.
Is it a Pretoria? Yeah, I have corks there by me.
That's a cock.
Oh, is it? Shucks. It looks like a hen.
Nothing wrong. It doesn't